For some people, acne isn't just a nuisance, it's a serious and disfiguring skin problem. Fortunately, there are good treatments available for all, but for the most severe cases, Dr. Max Gomez is here to tell us about a smooth solution, a non-drug treatment that's showing some remarkable results. I think a lot of people are going to be interested to hear about this.
That's right. It's because it's really a big deal, Chris. You know, for those suffering from severe cystic acne, oral antibiotics and topical creams and ointments don't really work all that well. Accutane is a very good drug for that kind of severe acne, but the FDA has imposed severe restrictions on its use because of reported depression and suicides in teen users. But now there's new help from a laser.
I was self-conscious with how my skin looked, waking up, looking in the mirror, and it was always breaking out.
Being a teenager is tough enough, but add severe acne to the mix and you can imagine what Ashley Torres felt like.
I wanted to wear makeup all the time and just cover it up. I didn't want to go to school without makeup.
Ashley tried the usual treatments, prescription ointments, creams, and antibiotics, but nothing worked for long. And Accutane use is severely restricted. Without other options, young people like Ashley are left scarred both physically and psychologically.
It really kills their self-esteem. They don't have dates, they don't have friends, they don't go to parties. It can interfere with their jobs, with their job quests.
Fortunately for Ashley, a new laser treatment is clearing up her skin. Protective goggles and a little cooling gel are part of the prep. Then it's just a few minutes of lasering the acne lesions. The laser energy is absorbed by the blood vessels that give the cysts their nasty red color.
After a number of treatments, there's no more blood vessels to feed and support the cyst, so the acne simply does not come back.
It takes 4 to 6 treatments to get the cysts to dry up, but as you can see from these before and after photos, the laser not only clears the skin, but so far the results have lasted for 3 or more years. Ashley has had 2 treatments and has already seen a significant improvement.
This side, before I had all breakouts, but now it's very smooth and has...
So showing where was mostly the breakouts?
They were all here, and also I had a lot on my chin, but they've gone down very smooth.
Now, Ashley told me the laser just feels like a little pinch. She'll have some bruises for a day or two, then her skin starts to clear. Dr. Hellman says she keeps the cost down so the young folks who need it the most can afford it. It's about $350 per treatment.
But I think most, if you see some of those before and afters, you talk about money well spent, because acne, especially with high school kids, can be,
it's really devastating. I mean, for their psychological development and everything else.
A couple of things, though, before. I know we talked about Accutane, but are there any other measures kids can take before, maybe if they can't afford the $350 for laser treatment?
Well, I mean, you don't want to go to the laser treatment necessarily first, because some of the ointments and antibiotics are not as expensive, and they do work for some people. But you shouldn't wait too long, because that untreated acne is what causes that scarring and pitting if it keeps forming, those cysts keep forming. And those scars are a lot tougher to get rid of, although there are some new lasers now also that stimulate the collagen and raise that sort of depressed, it's called like an ice pick scar is what the acne scars are called.
It's amazing, though, the before and after.
Yeah, and they seem to, hold up for a while. So,
all right,
so far so good.
Great, thank you.
You bet.